You decided to switch careers or just are passionate about tech and want to start in the field. Now you have done your research and you find yourself confused after finding out that you can start with either a certification or a degree. Okay, don't panic, I got your back. By the end of this video, you have the insights you need to make the right choice for your career. In addition, I'll be sharing my personal recommendation, the one that I've used in my career, so stick around till the very end, you don't want to miss it. Now, who am I? I am JR, an IT professional with over 6 years in the industry, currently holding several industry-recognized certifications and serving as an IT manager, leading successful teams and projects. Now that we got that out of the way, let's dive in. In recent years, information technology, or IT, has seen a surge in popularity, driven by advancements such as cloud computing and machine learning, also known as AI. Not that one, this one. Additionally, the events of 2020, yes, the one that we all know about, induced a shift to remote work and increased cybersecurity threats, further underscoring the demand for IT professionals and their skill sets. But what many people may not realize is that IT is a vast field encompassing multiple domains or specialist areas of focus, each offering unique career paths and opportunities. Gone are the days of the IT guy who knew everything and could fix it all. To put it in perspective, imagine a mansion, and let's call this mansion the IT mansion. Now, this mansion has multiple rooms, and each room is a domain or an area of focus. We have cybersecurity, networking, cloud computing, software development, and project management, to name a few. Now, each room has different certifications you can take to prove your knowledge, and nowadays, there are some degrees as well. If you want to see a video on certifications that are available for these domains, let me know in the comment section below. So, what are the differences between pursuing a certifications or degree within the field? Industry certifications are focused, targeted credentials that validate specific skills and competencies in a particular technology, platform, or domain. They are often obtained through standardized exams administered by a professional organization or technology vendors, and they demonstrate proficiency in using specific tools or technologies. Some of these vendors are CompTIA, CISCO, AWS, and CISCO. Also, certifications can be earned in a shorter time frame and provide tangible proof of expertise in a specific area, making them highly valued by employers seeking skilled professionals. Now, traditional degrees such as bachelor's or master's programs provide comprehensive education in a specific field, offering a broad understanding of theoretical concepts and practical applications. Unlike certifications, degrees typically require several years of study and cover a wider range of topics, including foundational principles, advanced theories, and specialized areas of study. While degrees offer depth and breadth of knowledge, they may not always align directly with the skills demanded by employers in rapidly evolving industries like IT. So while both certifications and degrees have their merits, the choice between the two depends on your individual career goals, learning preferences, and industry demands. Certifications are ideal for professionals seeking to quickly acquire specialized skills and demonstrate proficiency in specific technologies or job roles, such as network administrator or cybersecurity. Degrees, on the other hand, offer a comprehensive education and may be preferred for roles requiring broad knowledge and critical thinking skills such as an IT management or research positions. Nevertheless, they all have their place in the industry. Now that we explored the differences between degrees and certifications, I am going to share with you some insights before you make your decision and my recommendation based on my personal experience. But before we dive in, let me know in the comments below what is your motivation to start in IT. Okay, so after years in IT and achieving success in various roles, I've learned how valuable are the benefits of both degrees and certifications. Let me share with you some nuggets to take into consideration before you make your decision. Tailor your path. Consider your career goals and aspirations when choosing between degrees and certifications. Assess which options aligns best with your desired job roles, industry trends, and professional growth objectives. Blend both worlds. In many cases, a hybrid approach combining degrees and certifications can provide the best of both worlds. Pursue a degree to gain a solid foundation of knowledge and supplement it with a relevant certification to enhance your skill set and marketability. Stay agile. The IT industry is dynamic and constantly evolving, requiring professionals to adapt and acquire new skills regularly. Continue to learn and update your knowledge through our ongoing education, training, and professional development opportunities. Leverage resources. Take advantage of available resources such as online courses, training programs, mentorship opportunities, and professional networks to support your educational journey and enhance your skills. I believe diving into this career path is embracing a mindset of lifelong learning and continuous improvement. Stay curious, explore new technologies and methodologies, and remain open to the new experiences and challenges that can broaden your horizon and drive your success in IT. Talking about embracing, this is what this channel is about. To give you the latest insights, assist you in your path in IT, and overall help you navigate the industry. Now, if you like that and this content, subscribe and let me know below. Now, onto my personal recommendation. Drum roll, please. Pursue the hybrid approach. Combine both degrees and certifications. This approach offers the benefits of the theoretical knowledge from a degree program, supplemented by practical skills gained through certifications. Now, my next video will be on the university that I currently use that offers this unique blend of education and certification, providing a comprehensive and tailored learning experience for aspiring IT professionals. Now, before you go, if you like the certification approach and just want to start faster, you can watch one of my videos that covers how to start in IT with the 2 best certifications that I recommend. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. They are out.
I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.